Hey, I wanted to give you a quick little how-to video of the SpyDock computer monitoring device. This is a new computer monitoring device that has a built-in program that will allow you to monitor keystrokes as well as take screenshots of anything that you're looking at on the computer. I'm going to walk through the install process and the uninstall process, and then in a later video we're going to do some of the settings for your email address to have it sent over to your email address to go through and monitor the information. So let's go ahead and plug in the unit to your flash or to your USB port. Okay, if it happens to come up that says do you want to scan, just go ahead and do continue without scanning, because if not, it'll format the disk and it'll erase everything on your disk. So you want to open folder to view files. You want to look for the application, which is the SPconfig. We're going to right click on this, run as the administrator. It's going to ask if you want to allow the program. You just click yes to allow. Now you've got all your options as far as update. If there's any update, you can actually update the unit online. All the units that we have in stock right now are completely updated to the newest version. You click on install, and it's going to automatically install. It takes literally 2 seconds. Okay, now there's two different ways that you can pull up the information. You can pull the flash drive out when you want to go to monitor it, plug the flash drive back in, and then this little get data light will light up. You can get the data, it'll put it to the pen drive or the flash drive. Then you can take out the flash drive, take it to another computer, or you can pull it up and monitor it from this particular computer itself. If you ever want to install the unit, you're going to do the same thing, go through the first couple of steps. When you get to uninstall, you're just going to click on install. Usually going to take a couple seconds to uninstall too as well. So I mean, it's a pretty quick and easy device to use. I'm going to go ahead and install it again real quick so we can go and look at this configuration panel. Now the configuration panel, you've got two different settings. You've got a general setting and a mail setting. Your general setting is for your screen capture, as far as your screenshots. You can do them anywhere in between 1 minute and 10-minute intervals. So you just put it in there in 60-second intervals. So depending on kind of what you want to do. Your screenshot quality, so you can obviously increase the quality if you want. You've got phrases, so you can basically type in anything that you want. So if you want, every time they type in Facebook, or if they type in a certain name or anything like that of a website, and you want it to automatically do a screenshot, you can put the phrases in here, and it will automatically do a screenshot when you do those. It does have a microphone level here as well, because it does Skype recording. So if somebody goes on to Skype, you'll actually get the audio and video portion of that particular recording as well. We're going to go back over here to the mail. Now I've got it all set up for Gmail. I'm going to close this real quick and then pull this little document up. There it is. Now this is your main settings for your Gmail, and then I'll go through and do another one for Yahoo and AOL too as well. But with this, your SMTP server would be smtp.gmail.com. For your mail address, it'll be whatever your email address at gmail.com. For your mail login, whatever your address is without the gmail.com. Your mail password is obviously going to be your password that you're getting into your email account. Your mail server port is going to be 465, and then you can set it up to do 1 minute to whatever 24 hours if you want. It depends on kind of what you want to set it up and get your intervals of mail in. You're also going to click on this Use TLS. So I'm going to close this back down real quick and go back into my configuration panel, and it's all set up like that. So at that point, you're going to click on Save. You're going to close this box out. Oops, I'm sorry, not close that box out. And then click Send Test Email. Now at the bottom, it'll say Mail Sending, please wait. Then you'll see one that'll actually say Mail Sending Successfully. Okay, if the mail sends successfully, you're completely fine. If not, you may want to change and look at your password, stuff like that. It'll tell you to check your configuration panel. But that's basically the process to go from start to finish on going through a Gmail address. And again, simple install as well. You can extract your data once you pull it up from your email. You can get the data straight from the pen drive like that too as well. There's a lot of different options with this particular device.